I ordered this Artistro metallic watercolor paint set from Amazon because I kept seeing it advertised and it was such a good price. I wanted to give it a try. So it is a really cute package. It came in a pretty shiny holographic box, and there are 12 metallic colors and 6 duochrome colors, which are colors that kind of shift as you move them around the paper. And I'll show you an up close of those later. It came with a water brush, and you have to know if you get this, to open it, you have to screw it the opposite direction. It also came with a sponge, which I really appreciate, and these cards that you can paint out your own samples. And I had so much fun doing these, and this is what they look like up close. They're really pretty. I think I liked painting with them on the black paper first. Oh yeah, the set comes with paper too. It comes with everything. It's such a cute little gift. I would definitely recommend this for anyone that needs a fun gift for an artist, and I'm going to link it below. It also came with a silver paint marker. I forgot to mention that. It works really well, and it was awesome for adding little details. The duochromes were really fun when you shift them. They really do change colors, and it's got a lot of fun stuff in it. I would also use this a lot with like my regular watercolors as a highlight or just to add little metallic details. The reason I ordered this is because I've been doing a series of ocean iridescent fish and shells, and I just thought this would be perfect. So I'm going to be using that for this. So I do recommend this set for anybody that wants to get a cute gift or play around with metallic paints. It is very fun. I loved it. And remember to like and subscribe if you want more reviews of art supplies or tutorials or just general art stuff. I love having people comment on my videos, so tell me if you've ever tried these paints.